Okay, today I'm going to be making a pineapple upside down cake on my 1917 Hughes electric range. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, I will preheat the oven. There it goes. Or there it glows. Okay, first I'm going to melt 1/4 cup of butter while the oven preheats. Okay, while the oven is preheating, we're going to go ahead and turn on this burner right here, and we're going to melt our butter. This will come on momentarily. Okay, let's melt our butter. Here is the 1/4 cup of butter. We'll wait about 10 seconds, and then we'll put our butter in there, and y'all will watch it melt before your very eyes. About 5 more seconds or so. Okay. There it goes. Okay, our butter is melted. This will form the crust, kind of, sort of, with the brown sugar we're about to add to this. So we're going to take this butter, and we're going to put it in a little, whatever this is called right here. This is clean. It's just been cooked in a lot. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And we're not going to boil this butter because it's trying to boil. Okay, now we're going to put 1/2 cup of light brown sugar into this butter. And just kind of pack it down with a fork or a spoon or whatever I use. I don't know what I'm going to use, but I'm going to use something. Okay, here is the brown sugar and the butter. Now we're going to put pineapple rings all in this and some maraschino cherries in that as well. Okay, I have got the cherries and the pineapples in the brown sugar and butter. I guess we'll put this in the fridge to chill. Okay, now I'm going to sift 1 1/2 cups of cake flour. Now we'll add a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we will melt 6 more tablespoons of butter. We just added 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, I've melted 6 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to add it to this stuff right here. That. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of white sugar to this. Okay, now I'm going to crack 2 eggs and separate out the egg whites from the yolks, and I will beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. So a lot of people don't realize that this tool right here is to separate out egg whites from egg yolks. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to beat these egg whites up until stiff peaks form in there. I got a little bit of the yolk in there. These egg beaters are from $18.99. August of $18.99. Bruh. That's good enough. Now I've got to go get the sour cream out of the fridge and we'll add that to this. We're going to add about 1/3 cup of sour cream. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to this. Here are the egg whites right there and the sour cream. That was a lot. You know what? A little more won't hurt. Okay. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of this pineapple juice. That should be good right there. Okay, I added 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Okay, now I'm going to put the cake batter on top of that. And now we will place this in the oven. And we will cook it till it's done. And I'm going to turn down this oven 1 notch.
This oven?
Yes. Okay, let's get the cake out of the oven. Okay, here is the cake before I flip it onto this plate, just in case it doesn't survive. Okay, here we go. Actually, did I really just lose a pineapple? Ow. 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 Oh, I got that on video. 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
It's a 9.
9?
9 is good.